This is rainwater, motherfucker. Oh, man, that nigga wanna fight. Oh, man, that nigga. Come on, fight back, nigga. Fight back, fight back. That nigga fucked your baby mama. That nigga fucked your baby mama last week. That nigga fucked your baby mama last week. You gonna let that nigga do that shit? Shit, come on, man. You gonna get some of that stimulus, nigga. Let's go. Hey, man, come on now. Get him, nigga. Nigga, fuck your baby mama. Nigga, you better get on that nigga. You want some of that stimmy?
This is what Duke Faro said he wanted to do to Nina Boy. He showed this video. This nigga ain't got no helmet on. He up in there gladiatoring it up. Okay? That's how you box. That's how you fight. All right? I can see Nina Boy in there with the helmet on, the L pads on, knee pads on and shit, Vaseline on his face. The fuck? And he's sitting here wanting this smoke. Nigga, you already got enough people who want to whoop your ass. You gonna add him to the list? Like, what is you doing, nigga? I wasn't able to find this video. He played this video. Duke Faro played this shit on his video. I think he erased it because I couldn't find it. So I'm like, well, let me look up Duke Faro fight. Because he was like, you want to see how I get down, nigga? It ain't no talking, nothing. This is what I want to do to your ass. Nina Boy, you need to stop fucking with people. Like, that's not like, dude, stop. Please stop. Then you hiding behind East Coast Crip and shit. Like, what are you doing? Stop, dude. This man will fucking almost damn near put you in a coma and shit. You fucking with people out here, you gonna end up fucking with the wrong person, nigga. Yeah, and you gonna have more than pickle juice coming out your motherfucking nose. Yeah, and you gonna go somewhere further than the motherfucking moon, okay?